All right, getting ready. That pan won't fill itself. I'm gonna make some pumpkin spice protein donuts today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm getting ready to make my pumpkin spice protein donuts today. So I'm feeling kind of the fall high. I'm gonna use a new protein powder, and this is Ancient Nutrition. It's from Dr. Axe, and I actually have used it in my smoothies and I love it. Ancient Nutrition Bone Broth Protein and Pumpkin Spice, which is the first time. I've only ever tried this with vanilla, but I feel like that'll give it a nice boost. Pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, vanilla extract, baking soda, applesauce, coconut flour, organic pumpkin puree, maple syrup. All right, so half a cup of the protein powder to start. Put the protein powder and the coconut flour in here. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. The protein powder smells so good. I feel like the pumpkin spice flavor is going to give it an extra touch of fall. Pumpkin pie spice, we're going to do 1 teaspoon. Yay. Although I might do a tiny bit less because of the fact that I'm using the actual pumpkin pie spice flavored. No, I'll just do a full teaspoon. It smells so good in here. So good. I like to keep my space as clear and free of clutter as possible, so whenever I'm done with an ingredient, I put it aside. So let's see. So now we need 2 eggs. And I just always have these little snack ones, the unsweetened variety, because I like them to take the edge off when I'm getting hungry. 2 eggs, applesauce, Dunzo. Oh my gosh. I have a can of organic pumpkin, and Minka is off to the side eyeballing me because she loves pumpkin. I actually put a little bit of pumpkin in their dry food sometimes. It's supposed to be good for dogs. Anyway, she thinks I'm gonna give her a snack. We'll see. You guys, this is her favorite. Look at this face. Aww. Add the pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I haven't made these protein donuts in a while, and they're only about, they're only about anywhere from, I think, like 90 to 125 calories, and that is not bad. All right, so 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract in this same bowl. And let's see, we need a tablespoon of maple syrup. So that was going to happen. Also a little spray over here so they don't stick. And I got this pan at Michael's, actually. So now I'm going to take this. I know this looks odd, but there's a reason for it. To get them in there. Cut a corner off of this, and then fill up the pan. In the oven they go. What we'll do here. Oh, they look beautiful. I'm so excited. Wait, let me get another pot holder. Woo! Oh my gosh, these look so good. So while we let these cool, I'm gonna go ahead and make the maple glaze. All right, so I'm melting the butter while these bad boys are cooling. And then I'm gonna add maple syrup and powdered sugar for the glaze. This looks so good. Ooh. All right, one got a little stuck, but that's okay. In honor of Halloween. All right, we have one damaged one. Not bad.